Noxolo Maqashalala Biography, Career, and the Reason Why She Passes Away. Who was Noxolo Maqashalala? Noxolo Maqashalala was a South African actress. Noxolo Maqashalala, born 1977, Kwabaka, Eastern Cape, South Africa, was an actress best known for playing the starring role of View in the first 3 seasons of the SABC1 youth drama series Cha Cha, from 2003 to 2005. Birth name: Noxolo Maqashalala. Occupation: actress. Date of birth: 1977. Age 44 years. Place of birth: Kwabaka, Eastern Cape. Nationality: South African. Gender: female. Education: Broomhilda's Acting Academy. Noxolo Maqashalala Career. Noxolo Maqashalala starred as Mandisa in the SABC1 drama series Intersections in 2010. Other television series she has appeared in include Generations and Tarzan. In 2014 she replaced Charmaine Minter in the role of Pearl for the 2nd season of the SABC2 sitcom Galting Mabening. She recently played the starring role of Zandile on SABC1 and Netflix's drama series Diamond City. Noxolo Maqashalala and the Reason Why She Passes Away. Noxolo Maqashalala died in her home. Of causes of death are unknown. Noxolo's body was found at her honeydew home in Johannesburg on Friday, 12 March 2021,